Welcome back after the break. We are talking about the sales and distribution of rotary watches in Pakistan. Mr. Fuad, tell us that when you talk about the corporate social responsibility of a company, what is your company specifically doing?
We do sponsor several events and activities in the world, mainly worldwide as well as the UK. For example, in the UK, we have a sponsorship program to help the heroes. Help the heroes where we target all the war veterans from World War I, World War II, where we help them, we associate with them, people who goes and visit them, whatever they need as help, it will be provided by us among other corporate businesses as well. We have the major sponsoring for this year and last year. It was the Clippers race. The Clippers race, which is the boat, powerboat racing worldwide. We sponsor it. It goes from one city to another around the world. It's Istanbul, it's Spain, it's Italy. We have a complete boat which is branded as Rotary. The full team on the boat, it's sponsored by Rotary. We sponsor the new explorers and new inventors in their new explorations. If they need money to support them in their causes, we do sponsor that. So Rotary is not a matter of having watches to sell only, as a matter of take and give to the community as well. So we do both ways. We help the community as the community is helping us with the purchases.
So do you think that how it is essential to associate with the customer even after your product is being sold?
Definitely. We have watches that comes back to us after 40 years. The father bought the watch, passed it to his son. We receive letters from the son or daughters of the proud owners of a Rotary watch telling us that I've just inherited the watch from my father or my mother and I would like to service it. It will be sent, serviced, brand new again, goes back to the customer. And he wears the watch that it was purchased by his father or her mother once again. We have customers who send letters telling us about the memories that they have when they purchased the watch or when they gave a watch as a gift either to their loved one or to their wives or to their parents.
So Sumer, tell us that we talk about the role of Multitech regarding the distribution of the Rotary products. What is this role?
Actually, Multitech Group is Multitech Marketing Group is a leading retailer in Pakistan at the moment about the fragrances and cosmetic, and the people they trust about the Multitech Sensation, of course, and they started the new division with the watches and about the luxury division and about the fashion, and the people, of course, we have a plan to open our retail. The people they trust about the Multitech, of course, they trust about Expression Fashion because we have a good number of team members in Pakistan who look after the watches division in Karachi and Lahore and Islamabad.
Okay, tell me that people who can afford such watches in Pakistan, they can easily buy these watches when they are going abroad for a leisure trip. How will you persuade these customers that you can buy and service those watches while you are in Pakistan? Don't you think it would be a little difficult?
To be honest with you, Rotary watches, you can find all the duty-free in the airline industries. It's pure, people, they are aware about the brand, the Rotary watches. And the secondary, of course, we don't compromise about the price controlling. Of course, you can find the same, similar price in Dubai, you can similar price in India and similar price in Pakistan.
There's no difference?
No difference. In fact, you can, I believe, maybe it's less than Dubai or something, about the exchange rate. Even in Pakistan, you can find the same warranty. Of course, you travel to Dubai, you can travel to Europe.
Okay, Mr. Fuad, what are the new technologies which the Rotary watches are planning to incorporate in their watches in upcoming years?
Well, it's not going to be the digital watches. We're not going to go back again to the digital age or to come up with a watch which is analog or a digital. The main watch the main watches that we provide nowadays is the analogs, the chronograph, the mechanical, the automatic, and the quartz. And this is the main industry of the watches, and that's how it used to be, and that's how it's going to be. You can always come up.
Digital watches are not conventional. They are a bit modern. They are more popular with the teenagers.
It's the teenagers. It's been launched. It's been used. Nowadays, you have certain brands that come up with another model of a digital watch, and it'll be another design to go for now, but it will grow out of fashion.
Mr. Sumer, tell us when you were opening business, when you were distributing the Rotary watches in Pakistan, and when you were starting this venture and to open with, did you face any bureaucratic difficulties in Pakistan?
The Expression Fashion, the Multitech market is the company who is distributing the watches in the market. Normally, we had to face the many brands, the people they are bringing in Pakistan, they have on retail. Their distribution, they are focused on creating demanding of their brands. The many competitors are there. And of course, we are trying to get the position of the rotary watch weekend placement. Of course, in Pakistan, there is no positioning of the brand. You can find every brand, like the higher end, of course, the lower end as well.
And what
We
is the
don't have
mechanism of a marketing company? How you guys get the statistics that says this number of luxury watches is being sold in this year, and we can predict that our market share will be like this?
In Pakistan, such as there is no like marketing company who can provide you the data. They can only provide about the export and import activity side. Of course, the taxes are involved by the government side. So you can also comparison the luxuries watches about the luxuries item who is importing in Pakistan, who is the competitors are there. You get the share because of the retailer, because at least there is the organized some retailer who is doing the business in watches, the pure watches retailer. And they
So
are
when we're talking about international level, Mr. Fouad, how can you predict that such number of watches will be sold in upcoming years?
There is so many sites that provide such a statistics. We are in contact with several marketing companies that provide us statistics. Just an example, the website of Rotary Watches. I mean, if you want to just log in onto www.rotarywatches.com, the amount of hits that used to be before the introduction of the MENA region, Middle East and North Africa division, which is I'm handling for Rotary Watches, it was very minimal. The minute people started seeing the brand in the market, seeing it in the shop, they started going online, checking the watches, checking the new designs.
But every website visitor cannot be regarded as a buyer.
It is no, definitely it's not as a buyer, but at least they will see the brand, they will start talking about the brand. If I'm going to go and check the Rotary website, I might be a buyer, I might just be curious because I came with the word Rotary. I mean, Pakistan as a market, as Sumer was saying, the introduction of Rotary into the market, the main difficulty that any distributor will face is going to a retail shop that caters their own brands. If I'm the agent of my brands and I have it in my retail shop, I'll be tempted to keep my own brands in the shop and not to buy additional brands that might take part of my sales of my own brands. It's a matter of getting the message that it will be an added value to the shop to have different brands for the customers to choose from. They're making, let's say, margin on certain brands that they have a higher margin than on the watches that they buy from a distributor, but at the end, they're catering to the customer's need.
Are you planning to appoint any brand ambassador in Pakistan?
For the time being, we are not in the process. I mean, we don't appoint brand ambassadors anywhere in the world. We starting with this, the subject came up and it's under discussion. But to appoint a brand ambassador, you need to take so many factors in discussions. You need to target, I mean, let's say a Bollywood star that we're going to go with, or a cricket player, or a singer in Pakistan. We need to see who is this person or this personality caters to which category of people.
Right.
Would it be the right category? Does this character has any incidents that happened in his life? You might have an excellent Bollywood or a cricketer nowadays that will be way in demand by everyone. But when you look at the history of the person, there might be some glitches in it.
Difficult.
You need to be very difficult, very critical into selecting. Very choosy into selection of your star or your character that can represent the brand to be on the right track.
Thank you, Mr. Fouad. Thank you, Mr. Sumer.
Thank you very much.
Opening a new business is always like opening a new horizon, and we wish that Rotary business will flourish in upcoming days in Pakistan. Thanks for watching CNBC Special.